Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing quick cash, and eyeing your Westpac credit card? You might be wondering, how much does Westpac actually charge for a cash advance? It's a question many people have, and the answer isn't as simple as just one flat fee. Understanding the costs involved before you tap into that cash advance feature is crucial to avoid any unwelcome surprises on your statement. A cash advance is essentially a short-term loan from your credit card, allowing you to withdraw cash from an ATM, a bank branch, or even get cash-like transactions, such as purchasing gambling chips. While it can be a lifesaver in emergencies, it's also one of the most expensive ways to access funds from your credit card. So, let's break down the Westpac cash advance charges. There are two primary components you need to be aware of: the cash advance fee and the cash advance interest rate. First, the cash advance fee. Westpac generally charges a fee of 3% of the cash advance amount. This fee is applied directly to your account and will appear on your credit card statement right below the relevant cash advance transaction. For example, if you withdraw $500, you'll be charged an additional $15 as a cash advance fee. This fee is non-negotiable and is applied every single time you make a cash advance. Second, and perhaps more importantly, is the cash advance interest rate. This is where cash advances can become significantly more expensive than regular purchases. Unlike standard credit card purchases, which often come with an interest-free period if you pay your balance in full by the due date, cash advances have no interest-free period. This means interest starts accruing immediately from the moment you take out the cash advance until the entire amount, including the fee and accumulated interest, is paid off. Westpac's variable cash advance rates are typically higher than their standard purchase rates. For many Westpac credit cards, the cash advance interest rate can be around 21.99% per annum, though this can vary depending on the specific card you hold. To put that into perspective, if you take out a $500 cash advance at 21.99% PA, even if you pay it back quickly, the interest will start adding up from day one. It's also worth noting that if you make an international cash advance, you might encounter additional fees from the ATM provider itself, although Westpac generally doesn't charge a foreign currency fee on the cash advance transaction for some of its cards. However, always check the specific terms for your card when traveling. In essence, a cash advance with Westpac involves a fixed percentage fee on the amount withdrawn, plus a higher interest rate that starts accumulating immediately. This combination can make it a costly option, so it's always advisable to consider alternatives like personal loans, overdrafts, or even borrowing from friends or family, if possible, before resorting to a cash advance. Understanding these charges empowers you to make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.